Ngayon, si Cheery. Nasaan si Miri? Walay. Hello everyone! It's Marian here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang bagong labas ng Squad Cosmetics. Ito yung Squad Multi-Mousse Cream. If you want to know about the swatches of this mousse cream, please keep on watching. Guys, hindi lang yung multi-mousse creamy lang yung in-order ko. Nag-order din ako ng iba para masubukan ko talaga yung product nila at mag-full face talaga ako. So, dito sa video na to, ngayon, ito yung gamit ko. Papakita ko sa inyo sa baba yung video na ginamit ko talaga yung foundation, yung powder, eyebrow pencil, mascara, yung eyeshadow nila. Bali, umorder ako ng dalawa kasi yung Boss and yung Peach, hindi ko siya na-order kasi out of stock siya ng time na yon. Liquid eyeliner. Yung contour and blush palette nila, bali dalawa yan. Isa lang yung na-order ko kasi wala yung isa din na shade. So, yan. Ginamit ko. Contour, blush on, and highlight. So, ngayon, gumamit din ako. Jolly itong gamit ko. Mamaya ko sa inyo papakita yung ibang lip swatches ng mousse cream. Yung meron silang lip tint pero out of stock. Ilang beses ako nag-check out of stock talaga. And guys, watch until the end of this video at may i-announce ako. By the way, this video is not sponsored, so lahat ng mga price and the product details is in the description box. So ayun guys, ito yung Squad Multi-Mousse Cream and they have 8 shades. Ang original price niya is $149 pero meron silang introductory price ngayon na 99 pesos. So, i-grab nyo na kaagad habang 99 pesos pa lang siya. Kasi 149 pesos talaga yung original price niya. Ang net weight niya is 5 ml. And then, ang lifespan niya is 24 months. So, mag-start na tayong mag-swatch. The first shade is Gleeful. Next is Jolly. Next shade, Jovial. Next, Cheery. Next shade is Mary. Next shade, Radiant. Next shade is Blithe. And then yung last shade is Sunny. Okay guys, for the giveaway mechanics, ilalagay ko siya sa description box and this will be the items that I will be giving away to the lucky winner. And the winner will be announced in my IG stories. So, ilalagay ko siya sa description box, lahat po nandoon, pati po yung announcement of winner. Now, for my final thoughts about this product, sa price muna tayo, sobrang check siya sa akin. Lalo na yung mga mag-start pa lang, magbuo ng makeup kit nila. Sa packaging lang ako hindi medyo okay kasi hindi ko makita yung ibang details niya like yung lifespan, net weight. Pero nagustuhan ko sa packaging nila, yung plastic niya madaling tanggalin, hindi nakakasira ng mga nail polish, hindi katulad ng iba na sobrang parang ayaw na ipagamit yata, na sobrang hirap tanggalin. So, yun. Tsaka ito, nakakasosyal, ang lakas makasosyal niya. With the price of 99 pesos, ganito yung packaging niya. So, yun. Tapos, sa applicator niya, ito, medyo ingat lang tayo kasi may tendency siya na maghiwalay yung wand sa paddle. Ito, sa applicator. Kasi medyo, pagka inopen mo siya, medyo may stop, nag-stop siyang ganun, tapos biglang hihilain mong ganun. Medyo dahan-dahan lang kasi may tendency talaga siya na maghiwalay talaga siya or maputol. So, yun. Pagdating sa formula, very nice yung consistency niya, lightweight, and madali siyang i-blend yung color niya. And perfect for any skin tone. But, as I've said to my other videos, depende po sa preference natin, kung ano po yung gusto nating shade or shades na gamitin. Okay guys, hindi mawawala yung favorites. And meron akong 6 shades na nagustuhan dito. Ito yung Sunny, Jovial, Radiant, Merry, Jolly, and Gleeful. By the way guys, napansin ko, yung 8 shades na to, puro siya happy words, kasama si Cheery and si Blithe. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And click the bell button for you to be notified for my future videos. And please follow me on my Instagram account at itsmarian_IG. See you on my next video. Bye!
Late at night, I think of you. Your vision floods my mind. There isn't much